we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting, related and often unclear names and words from the Bible. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So in Hebrew, this is normally said something along the lines of Shechinah, Shechinah. In English, however, this is usually said as Shechinah, Shechinah, from Hebrew Shechinah, Shechinah, or in English Shechinah. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more biblical names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.